Yo, what is up, everybody? On this blizzard day, it is crazy here in Colorado. I really wanted to go fishing so bad, so I bring out content for you guys. You guys can watch my videos, watch me fish, watch me do stupid stuff. But this can't get any more ridiculous since I can't go up in the mountains because it is blizzard outside here 2019. I decided to maybe drill a little snow on my damn camera. It's blizzard out here. Ooh, sorry about the wetness on the camera, but I'm gonna drill a hole right here in my pond. I got my little ice fishing pole. I'm gonna put some worms on it and let's see what I catch. I don't have any game fishing here, which I wish I did. I did have some goldfish and some koi, so I'm not gonna be doing a catch and cook. So let's get to drilling and let's get to fishing. Shoo! All right, well, didn't look like I had to use the auger, because looked like it was just maybe put up on top, and I don't know, didn't have to drill anything. It just broke the ice a little bit. But you know, like I said, we're gonna pull out some of these fancy dancy Canadian crawlers when you're bored at the house because the power's out. Just you can't go nowhere, just resort to your pond and do a little bit of urban backyard fishing. Because yeah, the wind's pretty bad. The visibility is jacked up, and you know, so these fish I catch them all the time. And then I had catfish in here once upon a time, but I don't know what happened to them. I think the crawdads took them out. I mean, I have some pretty big crawdads in here that I had got from Lake Pueblo, and actually 2 years ago, and they actually grew pretty big. So, oh yeah, I hope you guys can see very well, because I'm pretty sure through this wind, or hear me very well with this wind, it's kind of hard to see what's going on. So, but let's get some fish in my backyard pond. Let's see how this goes. So I hope all you guys are staying pretty warm outside or inside or wherever you are, or if you're doing some fishing or whatever you're doing. Watch my videos. Hope all you guys got power. So yeah, this is the boring part, waiting for a bite. So fishing at the Riviera. Might need to break up the ice a little bit more over there, because it's much deeper in the back. It's over here, so probably just gonna have to clear some of that over there so I can get over there. You'd think that these guys are hungry. I haven't fed them in a while. Woo! Woo, that's cold. Look at that. The blizzard conditions. Oh! Oh, that was a bite. They're hungry. They're hungry. Might have to break up the ice a little bit over there. But that'd be cool to put in some crappie, or you know, put in some. All right, so I moved the ice over a little bit, or the snow, or whatever it is, and let's see what we can catch here. See if we can hook ourselves up with a crawdad or something that's in here. I don't know. It's a good way to be spending your snowy Wednesday, huh? Fishing in your backyard. Oh, I felt something. I really can't see. Really can't see down there. It ain't about sticking my GoPro and putting it in there. See what I can get my hands on. But I can tell you this right now, this is living. Fishing in your own backyard. You know it's bad if you get skunked in your own backyard. That might happen. That might happen. So, all right. The waiting game begins. All right. Well, no bite yet. So they're in there. I've seen them. So I know this is ridiculous. This is so stupid of me. But when you got the urge to fish, you just gotta fish. And if you can't drive, don't drive. Just go in your backyard and just fish. But I'm gonna stick my GoPro in the water, and I'm gonna see if you guys can see anything. So let's see how this goes. I'll stick you out like this, and stick you in like this. It said battery empty, whatever that means. I hope it's still recording. So I hope you guys got to see something down there, which I'm kind of hoping so. Hopefully within the next couple of minutes or so I might be able to catch something to show to you guys. But but yeah, if not, I'll end the video on my other GoPro. Alright, well, my other GoPro died. I don't know if you guys were able to see anything underneath there. So that water's way too cold. It's a little murky because I have the pump off, because that's the last thing I need is a busted pipe and all the water to go everywhere. But I hope you guys saw some fish. You know, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna be getting anything anytime today. But man, oh man, this blizzard has got it going. So, what do you do on your spare time? Oh, I fish in my pond. But like I said, it doesn't look like it's gonna be biting. Stay out here for just a little bit longer. Electricity's back on. Woohoo! So I can upload these videos and get them to you guys. So thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you. And hopefully hopefully here in the upcoming weeks, I'll actually do a real catch and cook. Because if you looked at my last video, it wasn't exactly a catch and cook, because I kind of forgot about the fish that I caught, and yeah, it turned it out to be no good. Because when we got home, it was the weather was pretty bad, and I just tended to forget all about it. So this GoPro is gonna die anyways. So this is probably gonna be the end. I'm probably gonna go inside. So that's probably gonna be the end of the video. See, nothing. So just watch the rest of my videos. Hit like, subscribe, watch me be ridiculous. And like I said, I'll be out here for just a little bit longer, and hopefully I catch something so I can show you guys. But we'll see what's going on. Nothing. Maybe I should go get my max worms. Maybe that might do the trick. I'm looking forward to putting some game fish maybe in here this summer, so I don't have to travel very far to go fishing. Man, oh man, is it cold. I'll probably walk out there so you guys can see how much snow we're actually getting around in these. So it's probably not gonna be the end of the video. I lied. Alright, so that's it. I was out here for a little bit. It's gonna conclude my video. This was my garden. You know, a little water on there. Sorry guys, but just want to show you how much snow. I mean, whoo, good dog. How much snow drifts. Look at that. Dang. You know how much snow drifts we actually got. It's blizzard-like conditions. They weren't lying. It's my pear tree. But oh man, look at this. Look at all this. Oh man. The trees, snow's blowing. But man, look at this. Get out here and start playing or something. But like I said, it's gonna conclude my video. My last video. Sorry about the catch and cook, but I already know for a fact that here in a couple of weeks I will go out and I will do a catch and cook, and it will be a right catch and cook. So we can go ahead and put that one in the books, because I never did that before. Excuse the wind. Oh, blizzard. I'm outside trying to fish in my backyard and it ain't happening. So I'm gonna get back inside since the power's on. I'm gonna get all warm. Like I said, hit like, subscribe, watch the rest of my videos. I should have some coming up and soon. So stay warm and don't drive. Be careful out there. Oh my goodness. I'm blown away.